Children, now we are going to see about 8th standard biology, microorganisms, textbook exercises. First we are going to see about multiple choice question answers. Choose the best answers. First one, wrong letter 1, choose. First one, microorganisms are measured in dash. Answer is micron. Dash shows both living and non-living characteristics. Option B, virus. Dash is a prokaryotic microorganisms. Answer is bacteria. Based on shape, the bacteria are classified into dash types. Answer is 4 types. Fifth one, the plant body of algae is called as dash. Thallus. The plant body of algae is called as thallus. Next, textbook exercise, Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. First one, dash is prepared from a mold called penicillium. Answer is penicillin. 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 Dash are the infectious protein particles. Prions. Third one, the infect virus particle found outside the host cell is dash. Virion. 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 Fourth one, microorganisms can be seen with the help of a dash. Microscope. Fifth one, bacteria which have a flagellum at one end is classified as dash. Monotrichous. Answer is monotrichous. Next we move on to match the following. First one, nitrogen fixing bacteria. Answer is rhizobium. Tuberculosis. Answer is bacteria. Kuru, prion. Probiotics, lactobacillus acidophilus. Edward Jenner, vaccine. Next one is Roman letter 4, write true or false. Okay. Diseases causing microorganisms are called pathogens. True. Female Anopheles mosquito is a carrying of dengue fever. Dengue virus. Answer is false. Chickenpox is a communicable disease. True. Citrus canker is transmitted by insects. False. Yeast is used in the large scale production of alcohol. True. Next, we can see about very short answer type. First one, write the name of any nitrogen fixing bacteria. Answer is rhizobium. Second one, name the bacteria used in the production of vinegar. Acetobacter aceti. Third one, write the names of any 3 protozoans. Amoeba, Plasmodium and Paramecium. Answer is amoeba, Plasmodium and Paramecium. Fourth one, who discovered penicillin? Who discovered penicillin? Yes, correct answer. Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin. Which diseases can be prevented by vaccination? Answer are smallpox, measles, mumps, rubella and tuberculosis. Fifth one, which diseases can be prevented by vaccination? Smallpox, measles, mumps, rubella and tuberculosis. Next, answer the following. First one, write the 4 types of bacteria based on their shape. Bacteria are described according to the shape of their cells. They are Bacilli, Spirilla, Cocci and Vibrio. For Bacilli, rod-shaped bacteria. Spirilla, spiral shaped bacteria. Cocci, spherical or ball shaped bacteria. Vibrio, comma shaped bacteria. Next, second one, what are antibiotics? Antibiotic is a substance produced by living organisms which is toxic for other organisms. Example, penicillin. Next one, third one, what are pathogens? This is very important question. What are pathogens? Disease causing organisms are called pathogens. What are pathogens? Disease causing organisms are called pathogens. Next, fourth one, how diseases causing microorganisms enter into human beings. The disease causing microbes are called pathogens. They enter into the body through cuts and wounds in the skin, mouth or nose. Some pathogens are found in air and enter into a healthy person by breathing. When a patient sneezes, droplets containing microbes spread in air. Example, tuberculosis and flu. Some pathogens enter into our body through food and water contaminated with the pathogen. Example, cholera. Next, fifth one, why microorganisms are essential for agriculture. Role of microbes in agriculture. First one, natural fertilizer. Microbes like bacteria, fungi act as decomposers and break down the dead and degradable waste of plants and animals. During this process, nutrients are released into the soil and the soil becomes fertile. This compost is called natural fertilizer. Next one, biocontrol agents. Microbes act as natural biocontrol agents and protect crops from pests. Example, baculoviruses attack insects which harm the plants. Baculoviruses attack insects which harm the plants. This textbook exercise is over from microorganisms. Thank you, students. We can see in next lesson. Thank you.